Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. It's Sunday, September 30th, 9, no, I'm sorry, 10:36 p.m. Oh, wait, am I on window? Scene capture? Let's go to window. We're not going to be charting. Okay, so I've been thinking about trade ideas like I usually do during the weekend, and I actually found something I may be able to share with you. Again, please don't do it. Don't do anything I do. So, I was looking at Wheaton Precious Metals, okay, formerly known as Wheaton Silver. And check this out. Not that this really matters, but just look at this. I want to show you something here. Look at this. Boom. 15 out of 15 analysts are rating this company a buy. How crazy is that, man? How crazy is this? So, it's a 9% below the average price bought on the Robinhood. Awesome. Okay, so my price is 18.18. Okay. All right. So anyway, but here's why I like it. Because if you go to the puts, look at this now. Let's go a month out. How about October 26th, for example? Look at this. It's 1750 right now. And the 17, let's go a little bit, a few more days. November 2nd, a month out. Look at the 17 puts are trading for 40 cents. And tomorrow it might drop even more. So we'll see, maybe we can target the 16.5. But that clears my thresholds. I can actually make money off of this. So it works out my numbers. It's all good. And I like Wheaton Precious Metals. Wheaton Precious Metals has dividend. It has a dividend yield. It's not big. It is a streaming company. If you don't know what a streaming company is, well, I really want to tell you to go just look it up. But in short, it's just they make contracts with miners and they get basically guaranteed flow of metal at a set price, right? They're not as affected by the metals market as are the actual miners. And there's a lot of miners that are like not traded publicly, and they make deals with these companies, and even some, I don't know if public companies, I guess they might have better um, options when it comes to lines of credit. But in any case, that's what they do. That's their business. They're a streaming company, and they actually pay a dividend like they should if they're a streaming company, in my personal opinion. So I like them. I already have a little bit of money with them, as you can see here. I own 33 shares, and I'm looking forward to accumulating more. So I might actually put some money to work here at this company and collect some premium while I wait to buy their shares. So we're gonna see if that happens. And June, September, okay. Yeah, so they pay quarterly dividend, so that's not bad. I'm down with that. And yeah, I really like that. I really like that their options are priced pretty high, and I'm looking forward to accumulating. Look, if I do a 17 just by the end of the week, it's $10 right there. $10 for $1,700, uh dollars committed. I can collect 10 in just a few days. So that's not that bad of a deal. Depending on, I have a feeling that the price are gonna drop tomorrow because usually Sunday night, the prices of metals are down like 0.5%, and usually that carries into the Monday. So I have a feeling that that is gonna happen. But that means that I could just get even a better deal since I'm looking to accumulate. I'm looking to accumulate. Let's see what a January one is. January. Okay. All right, not too bad. Not too bad. Okay, so well, anyway, that's one of my things. And I just I like the company. Um, I read an article that metal prices are gonna get smashed this quarter. Is this dude? I forget his name. He's got a complicated name, but it looks pretty stuck up. And he's saying how he shorted like England or something, and made a bunch of money with Soros. I think they had the like they crushed the pound and they made a ton of money. But anyway, so that's his credibility there, and he rolls with Soros. And so he was saying how gold's gonna go down because he doesn't see the trends reversing, the trends that are in place right now, which have been truthfully bearish for gold. I mean, the yields keep climbing, and so above the inflation rate, which means that, if you put your money into bonds, you're actually getting actual purchasing power interest. So it's a good place to park your cash. Now, and also emerging markets going down, everything else, and strong dollar and all that, and he thinks the U.S. economy is, it's invincible, and which, hey, man, we talked about it last time. We don't know if that's true or not. Are we just flexing or are we actually strong? So we'll find out by the end of these rate hikes. He also thinks that trade is, these tariffs and whatnot are gonna have an effect, but I told you guys what my opinion is. I don't think they're gonna have any real effect. Only people who are not willing to adapt, right? They're not willing to think outside the box. Those companies are gonna get hurt, but it's not that big of a deal. The rate hikes are a much bigger deal. But he thinks that China's gonna get hurt. Everything's in trouble over there. Everything's over leveraged. Everything is just, blowing up. Excuse me. Excuse me. I've been working all day, so Sunday's my heaviest day. So a little tired right now, but still recording this. Another thing that I found out that's interesting is my boys at Cameco. My boys, love these guys. So apparently, only 1% of their shares are loaned out for shorts. So that means that nobody believes this company is gonna go down anymore. I mean, they probably got burned pretty hard right here. All right, when it got revalued from $10 to like 11.40, everybody probably get burned out. So they're like, we're not shorting this company. I don't know what the percentage was back then, but um, they're definitely not. If somebody wants this company to go down, like nobody thinks this company is going to go down. And me, I don't think so either. They're cash rich now. They have a little liabilities. They're smart. They're maneuvering the market. They're controlling the market. And this definitely looks to me like a bottom. I mean, I'm not a chartist, so if any of you guys understands charts out there, let me know. But that to me looks like a bottom, man. Like I can't imagine this not being a bottom here. It's so hard for me to believe that's not a bottom for Cameco right here at 772, 758. Look at the strong reversal. Boom, breaks the trend, and it sets a new trend. Look, it's a clear V. Look at this V. I cannot believe that this isn't a trend change. Okay, anyway, that's my boys Cameco. 1% of shares out loan for shorts. Nothing. Nobody thinks this company go down. Me amongst those people. All right. Let me see real quick. How much, look at how much collateral I have committed for Cameco. $4,850 and 100 shares. This is great. It's truly great. Okay. It's a cash machine for me right now. Even though, yeah, it's definitely a cash machine for me. What was the price of my, let's see. I sold a call, two sells, one sell, one sell. Show Where's my? Okay, I must be blind again. Don't worry about it. I'm fine. We'll talk about it later. So anyways, as far as the portfolio goes, like I'm not as optimistic about Monday as I was about Friday. I was optimistic about Friday and actually scored new all-time highs. I think Monday is going to be a downer, unfortunately, looking at how things are developing overseas. But that's okay, we'll see. Maybe the dollar will behave erratically and something weird will happen. And usually, the way Monday goes, the way the week goes, at least I have some trade ideas. I want to put some money to work, and we'll see if we can get that Wheaton Precious Metals put happening. All right. So I am gonna end it right here with that thought. Please don't copy me. Do your own research. All right, and make your own trades. Okay, guys. With that said, see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.